Hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new here, I am Essie, also known as Essie Define, and if you're a returning subscriber, just pretend that I didn't just come back. Alright, so no long intro today. Today I wanted to come to you to review the Colourpop collection that I was sent. So this is the collection. I thought it was so super cute. I was gonna create a look for Instagram and I thought, why not bring this to my YouTube channel? Colourpop always sends me the best collections and I feel like I never get to try them. So this is gonna be my opportunity to try out all of my Colourpop collections that I received. I'm gonna go ahead and start my look off, and once it's time to introduce the products, I will definitely stop and explain them. What I like about YouTube is I get to actually talk to you guys and tell you what I really feel instead of just using the products and have these personal moments to myself. You know, sometimes things work, sometimes not. We'll see. Hopefully Colourpop does not disappoint me today with this collection, okay? All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my base. So here is the collection. We are getting ready to use it. I got 4 pieces. I got a palette, a glitter, and 2 eyeliners, and these really cool stickers. I haven't decided if I'm gonna include them in my look yet. I may do something really cool with my eyeshadow with it. We'll see. So first up, we have this really cute palette. And I'm literally obsessed with the colors. Look at this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the look. Well, not complete the look, but let's just go ahead and get started. I'm still trying to find my words. Y'all know this is like my first time back in a while, so we got to get used to the YouTube world. But I've just gotten to a place where I don't really care. I'm just kind of just doing it, and we're just gonna see where this goes. So I've completed the eye look with the palette, and I must say I am super pleased with how it came out. I feel like it was really easy to blend. They sent me over these cream gel eyeliners here. So I'm gonna use this one in my waterline, and I think this I'll just use for my lower lash line and see how that turns out. Obsessed, called The City That Never Sleeps. This is a gel-like glitter. We're just gonna tap this on top of the lid. Let's see what it gives. Oh, such a spongy situation. Oh wow, all the reflective quality without the mess of actual glitter. I love that. Ooh. Thanks, right? Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes and then I'll be back. Right? Put on my favorite by Juvia's Place, Kiss Me. We're going to go in with the All Nighter by Urban Decay. Alright you guys, so here is the final look. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look. Let me know if you would like to see more looks like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.